Hello everyone, in my today's video I will be showing you how to correctly do facial at home. What are the correct steps? I'm also going to show you how to do extraction of comedones or whiteheads as well using needles, completely safe without causing any skin damage. I'm going to list every step in the description below. My skin is oily, but you can apply that routine for absolutely all skin types. Remove your makeup with makeup removal. I'm using the Wishful makeup removal and I really like it. You should not use your cleanser as a makeup removal. You really need to make sure you remove your makeup with makeup removal. That's very important. So just put some of the makeup removal on your hands. If it's oil, or in my case it's like a butter, apply it all over the face and make sure you use around the eye area gently. You need to make sure you remove thoroughly your makeup before any cleanse. I do not remove my mascara with that makeup removal. I remove my mascara with water and I will show you in a second how I do that. I do not like any kind of mascara around my eye area, the skin around my eyes, because it's very bad for the skin there. Remove the makeup removal with wet sponges. At that point it should have completely melted the makeup, so the skin already will look quite clean. I just wanted to share a tip with you, the way I remove my mascara. And for this, I use like 2 fingers. I don't really like to go with makeup removal over my eyes and really rub, and then like whole that area turns black, because it's really not good for the skin around the eyes. So what I usually do is take my finger with water, and then I'm going to do this. I'm going to literally do this and this and this, and I'm going to have the black mascara here. Then I will rinse it off, and then I'm gonna do exactly the same. Just hold the lashes and literally gently circle. Hold the lashes and gently circle. So this is the way I remove my mascara. Once I've removed my mascara, I'm going to do makeup removal. So now it's time for cleanse. I'm using the Brightening Foam Cleanser by Mesoaesthetic. You can use any cleanser for your skin type. Make sure that your cleanser is suitable for that. Very, very gently. You can do tapping, 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 tapping. I do the first cleanse with my hands, and then my second, I help myself with a brush to make sure my skin is completely clean. You just remove everything with sponges, wet sponges. So I've got that brush. I got it from Amazon, and good. And I will be wetting that brush a little bit. I like to use brush because it really cleanses my skin and also exfoliates, help the cell turnover to be faster, which is perfect. It's like you're doing exfoliation every time you cleanse your face. I might not use it every night, but every other night, like every other evening after the first cleanse. I always do it after the first cleanse because it's quite strong. So even if I have anything left from the makeup, I want to remove it with the first cleanse, and then with the second cleanse I use the brush, so I really have squeaky clean skin. Wipe everything with sponges again. Sponges help the exfoliation of the dead cells. So I've got that steamer, which I got from Amazon a while ago. Yeah, and then I've got the power, and then I've got the ozone. Ozone will have the antibacterial effect, but we only use the ozone for about 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, and then I'll steam my skin for about 10 minutes to really soften my pores. What are you going to achieve with the steamer is first of all improve the circulation, blood and lymph, so brings fresh nutrients on the surface of the skin, and also softens the cells, the skin surface, so it's easier to extract any comedones or whiteheads. So it's really good. If you have very sensitive skin and you have some like red capillaries here and here, steamer is not like ideal, but you can still steam the skin to extract other areas. What you have to do is just take like small cotton pad and put like some Vaseline and stick it to that area like that. So when you stick it here, or even like, you know, less, let's say here, the steam and the heat from the steam is not gonna go there. So we're gonna be using the Daily Superfoliant for exfoliation. I'll just need the brush and a little bit of water. It's very important to do exfoliation. When we exfoliate the skin, we help with the desquamation, which means that we remove the dead cells from the surface of the skin and help the newer cells forming at the basal layer of the epidermis, actually going upwards faster, and like that our skin will look more, first of all, hydrated, also rejuvenated, very glowy, and just very fresh overall. So we really want to do exfoliation on preferably daily basis if the exfoliator is suitable for everyday use. The one I'm using by Dermalogica is one of my favorite ones, and I'm going to put the link in the description below. But I use it every evening after cleanse, and my skin is really glowing, really fresh, really hydrated. So it's really good to use them because you speed up the... It is really good to do exfoliation during the steam or straight after the steam. Let's say here what I've done is about 7-8 minutes steam, and I started doing exfoliation for about 2 to 3 minutes to kind of speed up that exfoliation process. It's better to do exfoliation once we have softened the skin, in our case with the steamer. It's easier to remove any dead cells like that. Up to that point, my skin is really squeaky clean. So what I want is to just literally tone it, put back the hydration, and I'm using this one, Hydra Tonic. I mean, you can use any, it's antibacterial as well. So I'll just wipe it all over, and then once I do that, I can feel a little bit of stinging because the exfoliator has acids like alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids, though they're like tiny needles. Yeah, so they're like disposable needles, super sterile, and you can use them to remove any blackheads, any whiteheads. Blackheads usually is going to be easy to remove because you can squeeze. I don't like to use tools at all. I never like them. But what I will show you now is that you can actually use those tiny needles. And how you're gonna do that? So you need those like gauzes because they're easy. I don't like to use tissues, although at school we use tissues when we teach the students. So I will just show you here. I literally spray it all over. So it's moist, so it does not drag my skin. And I'm gonna wrap it around my fingers like that. But before that, I usually don't have many. You need to stretch the skin, press and push it out. So stretch the skin, press, push into the skin, yeah, and push it out. If you see that the actual spot cannot come out, it's better not to break the skin, so leave it as it is.
I've got just one here, and I'm going to literally pierce it. Okay, done. And now stretch. That's it. Hopefully you saw it. That's it, it's gone. Look that. Perfect. Again, I'm gonna be using the mist and my wiper because it's antibacterial to make sure that no further bacteria. Yeah, and then once I've done that, I can use the high frequency direct. Okay, you can start here. Nice, like small movements.
After the exfoliation and the extraction, it's really good to use a mask. In my case, the best mask will be a clay mask or kaolin powder mask, or we also call it setting mask. So we mix it with water, so we have like good consistency, like quite, as you can see it when I apply it, quite thick, but also not that thick, so apply it on the skin quite well. What it does, it will drain any impurities from the skin, so any additional oil from the pores, especially after extraction, it's really good. So it's also going to prevent any bacteria going into the pores or the areas where I've extracted. So it's very good choice of mask after the steam, and as a facial at home treatment. And it's also not pricey, so you can afford it totally, and it does really good job. Because it is setting mask, so it will set in about 10 minutes, so you leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes to set, and then you can see that how easy it is to actually remove it. So you can peel it off and then wash your face. So now it's time for the vitamin mask. So we're gonna apply second mask, which is the vitamin mask. With this mask we will nourish the skin, so it's just gonna bring a lot of good stuff into the skin, back into the skin. It has vitamin C, A and E, which are powerful antioxidants. Overall will have really anti-aging effect, will reduce any dullness of the skin, and will help with hydration too.
So done. So I just washed off my mask and I'm going to tone my skin with the Hydrotone paste. So I'm going to use the eye cream by Mesoaesthetic. Yeah, so just eye cream is really good. So just a tiny bit here. Just gonna use all my eyes. And here, just like that. And another. I'm going to use the antioxidant serum, which is really good to protect my skin from free radicals, from pollution, from dirt, from bacteria. It's perfect after the facial, and especially this type of facial. So like this. By the cream. Just at the moment I'm gonna use this cream, Neontranix gel. It's good for like evening out the skin tone, just in case, because I have squeezed some whiteheads, for example, and I just don't want any pigmentation to be forming. So I'm going to use just a tiny bit of that one. And after the 130 plus, it's also really good for pigmentation. It's really strong. So I'm gonna open that one, and I'm gonna use like that. Make sure that you shake it before you use. Here and there, it has a little bit of color, but it's not foundation. It just has a little bit of color. For my neck, I'm using that sunscreen, which is Dr. Schrammek, because I don't want the tinted one to go on my neck, and just in case my clothes will get dirty. So just a little bit like this. No makeup. Today no makeup. It's Nivea, just really, you can use any.